In this video, I will show you how to download and install ZoneAlarm in Windows 11. If you want to download and install ZoneAlarm without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to search ZoneAlarm in search bar. When you search ZoneAlarm in search bar, you have to press enter. When you press enter, here ZoneAlarm will be open. Here you can see ZoneAlarm, a world leading antivirus and cybersecurity for Windows. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach zonealarm.com. For downloading it, you have to scroll down. When you scroll down, here you'll find ZoneAlarm free firewall, ZoneAlarm free antivirus. If you want to download firewall, you can click this. If you want to download antivirus, here we are downloading antivirus. So we will click download for free. ZoneAlarm free antivirus. Click this link. After clicking this link, when you click download for free, one pop-up will become. Here you can see. You have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. When you click save, your file will be started for downloading. Here you can see we have just downloaded it. Here you can see now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going download folder. Here I can see my file. Here I can see ZoneAlarm. Right click on it, then click open. Then click yes. And our file is installing. Here we have to wait while this process is continuing. We will wait here. Here you can see our process is continuing. Now we have to click accept and install option. When you click accept and install, here we have to again wait for some time. Our process is running. After that, you will see ZoneAlarm. Here you can see we have downloaded and installed ZoneAlarm without any error successfully. Now you can open it and use it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box.